Meet Emo, the robot face that's blurring the line between the machine and human as it learned to talk and sing the same way we do by watching videos online. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for all the tech news. Researchers at Columbia Engineering created Emo, a hyper-realistic robotic face designed to carry out natural communication. Wrapped in silicone skin and powered by 26 independently controlled facial motors, Emo can precisely move its lips, jaw, and cheeks to match speech that'll leave your jaw dropped. Those motors allow Emo to form 24 consonants and 16 vowels. The best part? It doesn't learn through scripts, but observation. First, Emo studied itself by moving its facial motors while watching its reflection to get how actions change expressions. Then it watched hours of YouTube videos of people talking and singing. An AI system analyzed raw sound, not words or meaning, and learned how lips move with each word. Then by using a special transformer model, those patterns were turned into real-time facial movements, and voila! Emo can lip sync, not just in English, but in languages it was never trained on, including French, Arabic, and even Chinese. But why all the hassle? Robots are rapidly moving into homes and workplaces. At CES 2026, humanoids like Boston Dynamics' Atlas and household robots that cook, clean, and assist were already on display. Pair that with artificial skin and human facial expressions, and robots start feeling less like tools and more like friends. Emo is still a lab experiment, but it's a glimpse of the future in which robots learn human behavior simply by watching us, just like we learn from each other. Chilling, right? Drop your thoughts in the comments, like and share the video. Subscribe to GadInsider and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Foxconn and NVIDIA are teaming up to unleash humanoid robots by 2026, and they're about to revolutionize AI manufacturing. Is this the future of tech? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the wildest tech news. Let's dive into this sci-fi level scoop. Foxconn and NVIDIA are joining forces to bring humanoid robots to a cutting-edge AI server factory in Houston, Texas, set to open in early 2026. These robots will help build NVIDIA's GB300 AI servers, powering the next generation of AI supercomputers. This could be a world first for robot-driven production lines. Want the details? Keep watching. Foxconn's training these human-like robots to tackle complex tasks, like assembling NVIDIA's AI servers. According to Foxconn's robotics boss Leo Guo, the robots will come with legs or wheels being the cheaper option. They're designed for precision and efficiency, and Foxconn's showing off 2 models at their annual tech event this November. Sounds like something out of a movie, right? The Houston plant was picked for its shiny new facilities and wide open space, perfect for deploying robots. NVIDIA announced plans in April to build AI manufacturing sites in Texas with Foxconn and Wistron, aiming to start production in 12 to 15 months. By early 2026, these robots could be running the show, making NVIDIA's AI tech faster and smarter. Is this the start of a robot takeover? This partnership is huge. Humanoid robots on production lines could redefine manufacturing, cutting costs, and boosting efficiency for AI supercomputers. Foxconn's expertise and NVIDIA's AI dominance make this a powerhouse collab. With the robots debuting at Foxconn's November event, the hype's building fast. Are we ready for factories run by robots? Foxconn's November showcase will give us our first look at these robots, and by 2026, they'll be hard at work in Houston. This could set a new standard for AI-driven manufacturing. Are you excited for humanoid robots, or a bit spooked by the future? Drop your take below. That's the scoop on Foxconn and NVIDIA's humanoid robot revolution. Are you hyped for these AI-powered bots, or curious about their November reveal? 16 countries, 280 teams assembled from all over the world for the battle of the best. But they were all robots. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. China rolled out with a 3-day-long World Humanoid Robot Games event in Beijing, where different talented teams from all over the world participated to show off tech and AI abilities. Most of the teams came from the United States, Germany, and Brazil, with 192 representing universities and 88 from private enterprises such as China's Unitree and For Your Intelligence. The games which they were to play included sports such as track and field and table tennis. Some were also designed to tackle robot-specific challenges from sorting medicine and handling materials to cleaning services. The main idea of the event was to collect data for practical robot applications. One attendee said, "We come here to play and to win, but we're also interested in research. You can test a lot of interesting new and exciting approaches in this contest. If we try something and it doesn't work, we lose the game. That's sad, but it is better than investing a lot of money in a product which failed." Another explained the importance of such events. People paid $17 to $80 to see humanoids crash into each other and topple over repeatedly during football matches, and then collapsing mid-sprint during running events. While some robots needed human assistance to even stand, many managed to right themselves independently, earning applause from audiences. This provides information how the robots can work together in an assembly line, or they can be manufactured to do some factory work as well. China's not backing down from investing billions of dollars in humanoids and robotics, as the country grapples with an aging population and growing competition with the US over advanced technologies. This event was surely an exciting one. Would you like to attend this in the future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Say bye to Alexa, because your new household helper might just walk, talk, and fold your laundry. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Palo Alto startup 1X stunned tech fans Tuesday by unveiling Neo, a sleek humanoid robot designed to do your chores, chat with you, and learn new tasks, all while operating quieter than a refrigerator. Neo isn't just another smart gadget, it's a complete home companion. Being 66 pounds itself, this AI-powered humanoid can lift up to 154 pounds, glide around safely thanks to a patented tendon drive system, and move its hands with up to 22 degrees. It has a soft 3D lattice polymer body with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and 5G, while AI lets it hold conversations, recall context, and obey voice commands. Laundry, folded, shelves, organized, rooms, clean. And if Neo is given a task it doesn't know, owners can bring in a 1X expert to teach it, making your robot smarter over time. 1X VP Dar Sleeper said, "Neo is a humanoid companion designed to transform your life at home. Its quiet, low-energy motions make it uniquely safe, while its AI brings intelligence into everyday chores." Neo is available on a $499 monthly subscription or a $20,000 one-time purchase with just a $200 deposit to reserve. Neo isn't the only humanoid robot out there. Companies like Tesla, Figure AI, Rich Tech, Robotics, and China's Unitree are all building robots for work and logistics. But 1X is focusing on homes where safety, trust, and usefulness really matter. 1X founder Bernd Bornick said, "Eventually Neo will be fully autonomous and help with anything around the house. The Neo you get today will only get better. Looks like the age of robot housemaids is here, and it might just help you clean up your mess. Are you ready to get your own humanoid helper? Let us know in the comments." Keep